Thank you, Mr. Speaker, and I thank the Chairman for yielding. As the Congresswoman of the Veterans Affairs Economic Opportunities Subcommittee, I rise today in strong support of H.R. 1170 as amended. I would like to thank Chairman Filner, Ranking Member Bouyer on the full committee, and the sponsor of the bill, Subcommittee Ranking Member Mr. Boozman, for their leadership and bipartisan support of this bill, which the full committee passed on May 6th. The bill offers important improvements to the Department of Veterans Affairs Specially Adapted Housing Program by creating a 5-year pilot program to promote research and development of adaptive technologies. With many veterans returning from the conflicts in Iraq and Afghanistan with injuries such as traumatic brain injury, it is important that research and development help meet the demand for cost-effective solutions that could mitigate the needs for round-the-clock nursing care or institutionalization for seriously wounded veterans. These solutions can be as simple as ramps or other structural modifications, or more complex, such as voice recognition controls for a home's heating system. Also, H.R. 1170, as amended, gives the Department of Veterans Affairs a 30% stake in any patent approved as a result of this grant program. This measure will allow taxpayers to receive a reasonable return on their investment, as well as promoting creativity and ingenuity among the designers and inventors working with the VA on these grants. The Specially Adapted Housing Program has been a tremendous help to many veterans and is expected to fund 1,250 projects in 2010. This bill will expand and improve this program and is a wise investment in our veterans. I thank Chairman Filner for noting the working relationship that I have with the distinguished ranking member, Mr. Boozman of Arkansas. When he once chaired this subcommittee, we worked together then and continue to work today on a whole host of programs, particularly housing for our disabled veterans in light of the current need of veterans and their families. And I want to thank Mr. Boozman for sponsoring this important bill, and I encourage my colleagues to support H.R. 1170 as amended and yield back the balance of my time.